Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your annual tax return. We will cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth and accurate filing process. First, we will discuss gathering all your important financial documents. Next, we will walk through completing the primary tax forms. Finally, we will explore the various methods available for submitting your return to the tax authorities. To begin, gather all your crucial documents. This includes your W-2 forms from every employer, detailing your wages and withheld taxes. Also, collect any Form 1099 statements for interest, dividends, or other income. Ensure you have your Social Security numbers for everyone on your return, plus bank account information for direct deposit or payment. Lastly, organize records for deductions like mortgage interest or charitable contributions. Now, let's complete your tax forms, primarily Form 1040. First, select your correct filing status, like single or head of household. Then, accurately report all your income sources, including wages from your W-2 and any investment income. Decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize, which can reduce your taxable income. Finally, calculate your total tax and apply any eligible credits, such as the child tax credit. Before submitting, thoroughly review your entire tax return for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is key to avoiding delays or issues. Next, choose your filing method. Electronic filing is often recommended for speed and accuracy. Ensure you submit your return by the annual deadline, usually April 15th. If you owe taxes, arrange payment. Finally, always keep complete copies of your submitted return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.